If you want to set up app timers on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to open settings. Once you open settings, you want to scroll down and then go to digital, well-being and parental controls. Now in here we should be able to find the app timers section, and we can simply set a timer for a specific app. We can also choose for a group of apps, but essentially you can tap on the tile itself in order to quickly set up your first timer. So here we can choose now apps that should be grouped into one category, and for that category the timer is going to be effective. So you can of course choose a single app if you want to, or you can choose multiple apps at once or whole categories as I mentioned. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like, I don't know, like I'm gonna choose Facebook for example, I'm gonna choose the Gemini app, and I'm gonna also use Instagram. Why not? So now all these three apps will have one timer. We're gonna tap on a done in the upper right corner. Over here I can set up the name for the timer. I can also tap on the icon on the right side and I can customize it a little bit. We can also choose app timer alerts, so we can be notified about the timer that, the fact that it is going to be run out, of course, we can be notified about that. And then we can also create a schedule, so we can choose how much of that timer we want to have, how much time we want to be able to use these apps. So we can set up, let's say, 2 hours, right? Then we can also choose on which days the timer should be effective. So we can exclude certain days if we want to, for example, not have any timer during the weekends. So let's say I'm gonna exclude Saturday and Sunday. Besides that, we can press add schedule in here in order to create additional ones. So for example, for those days that have been excluded, I can set up a different timer, and instead of 2 hours, I can set it, for example, 6 hours. And we can tap on save. And there we go. We have our timer created. And that is pretty much it. Now, of course, keep in mind that if I start using one of these apps, then the timer is going to start running. As long as I'm using these apps, of course, the timer is going to run. And if I, for example, spend 1 hour on Instagram, in my specific case, of course, if I spend 1 hour on Instagram, then I will have 1 hour left on the timer, which means that I can use 1 hour to use these 3 apps. So, of course, the timer is counted collectively for all of these apps, if that makes sense. So, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.